Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys an amazing tool called PhotoFuse. And this tool is approved by Etsy for you to use as an Etsy seller. And PhotoFuse is the solution to product photography. It's going to help you make professional photos with a professional background within seconds. So if you want to learn all about PhotoFuse and you want to see how I use it on one of my actual photos, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So as many of you guys know, product photography is essential when it comes to increasing your Etsy sales and building customers' trust. In 2018, Etsy surveyed their buyers, and 90% of them, this is a big number, 90% of them said the reason why they purchased was strictly because of the photo. It had nothing to do with pricing, free shipping, reviews, listing description. It was strictly based on the photo. So that tells you that having amazing photos will help you get more sales. And you could have an amazing product or amazing service, but if you don't illustrate that in your photo, a bad photo can prevent you from getting a sale. So just keep that in mind. And I know that for many of us, including myself, we struggle with taking amazing photos, especially when we take a photo that we don't have natural lighting. I live in Chicago, so half of the year is kind of like dark. So if you're in the same state like me and you don't have like natural lighting and maybe you don't have a backyard to take amazing photos with natural light, and it's a little bit difficult for you, and you take photos at home and they have shadows, or you have too much distraction in the background, PhotoFuse is a really great tool because it's going to help you enhance your photos. So I'm going to show you how to use it. It's very simple to use, and these are some examples right here that you could see with how amazing these photos look with just a plain white background. I'm a big minimalist. I like photos that have less. Photos that have too much distraction in the background tend to distract the person from the actual item that they're buying, and having a minimalist look like this looks so much better. So let's go ahead and log in, and I'm going to show you how to use it. And another thing I want to mention with PhotoFuse is that it's free to use. So you don't have to pay anything for it. Many apps that you use nowadays, whether it's a phone app or a desktop app, you have to pay a fee in order to edit your photos or to remove the background. But with PhotoFuse, it's completely free, which is really, really nice. So let's go ahead and upload a photo. Click upload photo. I'm going to do this one. This is a logo that I sell on my Etsy store. And it has this background. It's a pretty background. And it has like kind of like a grayish tone background. So all you have to do is, once you have the photo that you're working with, you upload it on Etsy. And you click on the highlighter right here, the yellow. And you're going to highlight your product, because this is what you want to keep on your photo. Everything else you want to delete. So you highlight it. Be really careful on the corner so it doesn't come out of the photo like it did on me. So there you go. So I did that. I highlighted the product. If this happens to you and you have like little scribbles on the side, you click on the eraser and you delete it. And you get as close as you can without deleting your product. There you go. Delete it right here. There we go. And then I'm going to come up here and delete it. And I'm going to get as close as possible. Once you do that and you're happy with your results, you will click on finish. Now, it does take a few seconds, but it's very simple to use. It does give you high resolution pictures as high as 4500 pixels, which is really nice. And once it's done, you click on the photo and it says view results or edit. You could continue editing once you see the results if you need to edit anything. And it looks amazing to me. You see how simple that was? Once you're done and you're happy with your final results, you click on download, or you could click on extra large. Like if you want a higher resolution, you could click here, and then the file will be available for you to use. So this is the file here. I could use this as my Etsy photo. I could use it for social media platforms. I could use it for my website to promote it. I could use it anywhere I want. But as you guys could see, it's a very simple process to use. It took me a few seconds to do while talking with you guys on this video. I highly recommend that you guys check it out. And on top of that, like I said in the beginning, it's approved by Etsy, so you don't have to worry about getting in trouble for using a third-party app. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have used this app before, or if you're using something else similar that other people could use as well. Thank you guys for watching.